So that's what you see here. So I'm going to invite Rebecca up to talk to us a little bit about it. Can we say good morning, Rebecca?
Good morning, boys and girls. Thank you very much for having us here. So, just to get to know you guys, and for you guys to get to know us, I'm Rebecca and I'm from MDH Recruitment. So, MDH stands for Madeline, Dominic and Harry. So, that's our founders' children. So, I'm going to ask you guys to introduce us, and I'm going to introduce you guys. So, this is Lauren. Lauren, can you give us a wee wave? And then this is Mary.
Hi, Mary.
Give Mary a wee wave. Right, so can all the primary ones clap their hands? All primary twos, clap their hands. Primary threes, fours, fives, sixes, and sevens. Woo! Thanks very much, boys and girls. So, does anyone recognise these pictures that are up behind me? Does anyone put their hands up if you can remember who made these and who designed these pictures? Yeah? Right, so do you know what a recruitment company does? Anyone? Yeah, so what we are doing for you guys is making some clothes, but a recruitment company is there so that you can pick a good job when you're older. So when you leave school and you think about what you want to be when you're older, does anyone want to tell me what they want to be when they're older?
Firefighter. Butterfly.
Shout up. A what, sorry? I can't hear you, sorry. Speak up.
A taxier.
Oh, that's fantastic. And anyone else want to tell me what you want to be when you're older? You want to hold microphones, you want to be a singer or a presenter? Anyone else? Anyone from primary 7 wants to tell me what you want to be? Shout up. Oh, detective, that's fantastic. Thanks very much, boys and girls, for putting your hands down just now. So I'm going to ask 4 people to come and join me up at the stage just now, okay?
Okay, boys and girls, everybody sitting
So,
in a good listening position.
everyone nice? So can I have Dominic up, please? Dominic Clegg.
Got a few Dominics, so Dominic Clegg.
Okay. Can I have a big round of applause for Dominic, please? Can I have Freya Ayton, please? Can I have Eileen Malabra, please?
Eileen Malabra.
Can I see the big famous Insta, please? So, boys and girls, and keep it quiet, everyone. So, with our competition that we ran for MDH Recruitment, and you guys to design your own football strips or sports strips, we had to pick 4 winners because we couldn't just pick one. So the MDH, Madeline, Dominic and Harry, and our team picked 4 incredible winners. So can I have a big round of applause, big cheer? Boys and girls, we've got some models that are going to show you the strips. So this is what you guys have got from MDH Recruitment for being such a fantastic primary school.
Bring them in one at a time and give them a big round of applause.
Big round of applause, ready? Come on, you can do better than that. Big cheer. Get louder than that, come on! Boys and girls, can I have a big MDH?
Is that all home away kicks? I like the green one. Johnny! Go on, Johnny!
One.